Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching another video. This video is part 2 of a 2-part video set. The first part was part 1, making marshmallow. Here you can see I'll be adding chocolate to the mix. Alright, I'll let you get back to the video, and I'll talk to you later. Do these ingredients look familiar to you? Well, they should if you watch part 1 of this 2-part video set. I'm using all the same ingredients, and as you can see, the chocolates, the cream, I will show you how I get to use them in the rest of this video. Alright, now back to the video. This is where I left off in part 1. Alright, now I'm spreading the marshmallow, spreading half of the marshmallow, and I'll let you see what I do next. Alright, now back to the video. A few videos ago, I mistakenly called this a bain-marie. Actually, it's similar to a bain-marie, but it's actually a double boiler. And no one corrected me. I'm surprised. Alright, I'll let you get back to the video. Hello? Are you still there? I hope you are. Stay and watch the rest of this video. Don't skip anything. When you get to the very end, you'll love what you see. Back to the video. Look at how well these beauties turned out. And as I said, marshmallows are easy to make. So why don't you try these on your own? Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up. That's a like. Why don't you share this video with someone who you think might like it? And if you don't subscribe, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel? If you are a subscriber, I want to thank you for coming back, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment for me down below and tell me how you like this two-parter. And if you're new, let me say that you should come back because you're really going to like what I make in the future. All right now, as I always say in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Hope to see you soon.